Ready to snag those dream tickets without emptying your wallet? First, let's make sure you have an Afterpay account. If you don't, head over to Afterpay's website or download the app. It's free to sign up. You'll need to provide some personal information and link a debit or credit card. Make sure you're approved for a spending limit that covers your ticket purchase. Now, browse Ticketmaster like you normally would. Find your event, pick your seats, and proceed to checkout. On the payment page, look for Afterpay as a payment option. It's usually near the credit card and PayPal options. Select Afterpay. You'll be redirected to the Afterpay website or app to log in and confirm your purchase. Afterpay will show you your payment schedule, typically for installments spread over 6 weeks. The first payment is to immediately review everything carefully to ensure you understand the payment dates and amounts. To manage your payments, use the Afterpay app. You can view your payment schedule, make early payments, or update your payment method. Just make sure you pay on time to avoid late fees. Now go enjoy that concert.